What is up, the updates? Last week's video we took the S13 out and made sure that it worked. So today we are now going to make it pretty. We are pretty much sending it back today, and then hopefully tomorrow we can lay down paint with the Deathclick team colours, and then a few weeks after that we're going to sticker the car. So lots to do. Dave's out here helping me today because he's the best. Yeah, we've kind of already started sanding it. It's pretty much going to be like a super budgety rough paint job. Basically the plan is hit it with 150 or 120, I can't remember what we bought. Anyway, 150 or 120 sort of deal, and then hit it with some 400, make it kind of smooth. There's not a lot of paint on it because the last paint job was also like a backyard sort of job. So this all sands off like really easy. Like I think I've done half the car and I've used like 4 pads, so it's pretty good. And then as well, we are leaving the boot and the bonnet like the carbon fibre, so we don't have to worry about painting that. And we've got a sunroof, so really like effectively we only have to paint half of a car. And then yeah, hopefully gonna get some different doors because these ones are both like pretty trashed. I've got some of my other black S13, but I don't know how great they are. There was some for sale local, so I'm gonna message the lady and see if she's still got them, and then hopefully I can get them for like $100 for a pair of doors. That'd be sweet. And then hopefully we can put the rear bar back together and use that. If not, I'll just have to buy a new one. But anyway, yeah, so me and Dave made some progress. So that's just hit it with the 150. Dave's going to finish doing his side, and then yeah, then we'll hit it with some finer stuff, and then hopefully tomorrow I think Shorty's coming down and we're going to take the car out to Timmy's house and paint it out there. But yes, you guys will have to wait to find out what the colours are. What are the colours, Graham? Yeah, you wouldn't tell either. You're not getting nothing from him. Anyway, it's lunchtime, so me and Dave are going to go get some lunch. Alright, well that's as much as the sanding that we're getting done here. So what we're going to do is we're going to load the car in the trailer, go out to Timmy's house right now. It's like 2:30ish, so hopefully get there by like 3:30 or so, and then we'll start doing some of the body repairs. We're going to fix the wing as it's broken, but sticker flexed on there so we can't actually take it off. So yeah, we'll try and fix that up so it looks kind of pretty from the outside. Maybe just make that look smooth there. And yeah, there's just a couple other little pieces that we want to make look slightly tidier than it does at the moment. But yeah, so bye.
Fuck, they get that stuff stinking out.
How good does this camera make me look? Anyway, so we made it out of Timmy's house. As you see, the car's on the ground again, and then we've put the wing back together, and then now Timmy is bogging my little gross cautery bit. We put a lot of sticky tape and some glue.
90-second glue.
90-second glue that Dave's just stuck to. Anyway, and then yeah, now we're mixing up some bog to make this quarter bit above the tail light look slightly better than it currently does. And then I'm waiting to hear back about these doors, so hopefully I can get a fresh pair of doors. If not, we have a pair of doors on the other car which are slightly better than these ones, so we'll see how that goes. But making moves. Hey, we got some doors. They're in the back. Vlog City, bitch.
Zooms. Turn this off.
Stance. Stance. Alright, so it's now Sunday. Well, I'm very zoomed. Alright, so it's now Sunday and we're back at Timmy's house, and Timmy bought a new cube. Anyway, so we're back at Timmy's house, and we've pretty much got the car almost ready to roll into the paint booth over here and start doing the things. We changed the door to one of the fresh ones, sanded it down. Everything's pretty much sanded down, ready to go. masked up like the sunroof and the bonnet, and probably just going to chuck a giant drop sheet over that. But yeah, Timmy's just finishing off smoothing out the wing. We added a little bit into the rear quarter here, just got to sand that back down. Yeah, obviously the car's like, this is not a very great condition car, so the paint job is not going to be as good as you would for a road car, but we just need to look good on track, so that's basically the plan here. Yeah, so almost ready to paint this and make it look amazing. Maybe, I don't know, this is our first time, so.
It's fucking windy out.
Yeah, she's not stagnant, tell you that much. Anyway, we'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so update, we have it in the paint booth, which is just one of Timmy's sheds. But yeah, it's all masked up, ready to start painting. Here's all the things. We went with like a PPG kit. The colour you will see at the end. But yeah, we're kind of going to start doing this. This is my first time painting a vehicle with the gun, so let's see how this goes. Timmy's, I think, done it maybe once, twice.
Huh?
Timmy's maybe done this like once or twice.
Yeah, a while ago.
A while ago, so yeah, no, it's going to be fun, but yeah, this is everything here, ready to go.
I think your KA was the last one I did.
Oh, that was a while ago. But yeah, so this is our paint booth.
PPG approved.
PPG approved. There's a banner in the back, you just can't see it. Anyway, yeah, cool, sweet, excited. Let's roll.
Let's get it.
Okay, so the car now is primered. We did 3 coats of primer on everything. So, I don't know, that's what the tech guide said to do. So we did that because we're professionals. Timmy's just wiping down the roof with wax and grease remover, and then we're going to put the first coat of colour on the car. So the colour combo is actually two-tone. The top colour is like a silver, metallic-y silver sort of thing. I can't remember if it's light or dark, but I mean, we'll mix it up in a second and we'll find out, start spraying some stuff. But yeah, so we're going to tape off. So it's pretty much, it's from the pillar up will be silver, like here, upwards, silver. So yeah, all we're going to do is just use a drop sheet and just fucking tape around there and go for that. Go.
You get it out eventually.
I was going to say go nuts and then go for gold, and I just said go for nuts, so...
We'll go for nuts.
Go for nuts. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to start taping this off and do some more things, but yeah, we're making progress for literally basically both our first time painting a car.
Pretty much.
Yeah, like we're not professionals, and we are so far from professionals, but...
I'm about as unprofessional as they come.
Yeah, same, but I'm pretty stoked. The primer looks like as good as I thought it would, because we did not do very much prep work at all. And the car is like in not great condition, so it's a drift car paint job for a drift car.
And look, the booth isn't the best.
Oh look, and our booth, if you guys couldn't tell, is not actually a legitimate paint booth. A lot of people may have been fooled, but this is not an actual paint booth. It's a shed that we put tarps down. Okay, I'm going to probably get back to work because Timmy's just doing stuff and I'm just talking to the camera, so bye. So there we go. Silver for the roof. Yeah, I guess pour this in the gun and see how we go. So we have the silver done. You can't really see it that well on the camera. Yeah, but it's silver. I guess you can kind of see there. Silver, and then this is the body colour in here. So you can't see that.
Someone will hit pause just to try to get it.
Yeah. Alright, so we've finished painting almost. We're just going to do clear coat, but this is the colour scheme, so I was like, wow, that camera makes that look terrible. Anyway, it's like a burnt orange and silver, but that makes it look like bright red and still silver. There's a few little imperfections, like we fucked up here by... There's imperfections. We fucked up here by like masking it up too fast and wet paint, and then also the same deal here, so depending on how much time we have to format Silver, you might like sand the roof back and repaint it because it's not that hard. But
Take into consideration we didn't block back the primer at all.
don't tell people that, they'll judge us. But anyway,
You get judged anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna get judged anyway. But this is how it kind of looks. Yeah, it's a lot more like coppery burnt orange in real life. Thanks, Canon. So here it is, all done, painted and put back together. Yeah, so as you can see, it's like a Volkswagen orange and silver roof, and I'll probably have to repaint the silver roof because I fucked it up real bad. But anyway, so this is now my drift car painted. Next thing up is to start doing the livery for the car. So we are stickering the whole thing. That's why I'm kind of like, on the paint job being not amazing, because stickers will cover the vast majority of it. So thank you for watching the video. Check out the merchandise. And I will see you guys next week, hopefully starting to sticker the car. Bye.